Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily rebrand your Flutter apps using a package I've just released on PubDev. This package is called Flutter App Rebrand, and it helps you quickly change the app's package name, launcher icon, and even the app's display name with minimal effort. The package is currently available for Android, iOS. Support for other platforms will be added in future. So let's dive right in and get started. Go ahead and create a new Flutter project using IntelliJ IDE or any other IDE that you prefer. You could also use this package with an already existing Flutter project. Go ahead and open up your Pubspec YAML file and add this line under Dependencies. This will download the package and make it available to your project. Next, we'll need to set up a configuration file where we define our branding assets like launcher icon, bundle identifier, and the app's display name. In the root of your project, create a new file called rebrand.json. These are my current bundle identifier for both the platforms. Here's an example configuration JSON file. Let's first run this app and have a look at how it currently looks like before rebranding. As you can see, this is the demo app with default Flutter launcher icon. Now let's try to rebrand our Flutter app by updating these keys in rebrand.json file. We'll also update the launcher icon with this panda image. Open a new terminal in your IDE and run this command. Once the command is executed successfully, we can then try to run the rebranded app. As you can see, the name and the icon of the app has been updated successfully. You can also verify the new package name by searching throughout the project. The directory structure has also updated according to the new package name. App launcher icons are also updated as per their sizes. You can also verify the updated assets on the iOS side. That's all for this video. Hope you've learnt something new in your fluttering journey. Good luck and thanks for watching. See you next time.